Hello, I hope you are all well. Today I wanted to share with you my visit of my small garden. I've been in this garden for nearly 5 years, I think, and I love to be in my garden and to plant flowers everywhere. It's a natural garden. Everything is not strictly ordered, as you can see. You can say that it's a small town garden because it's not in the land, and it's not a French garden because it's more like an English garden with bench in it, and everything going wild when it's the summertime. It's mainly a white, pink and purple garden because I like this shade of color and I think it matches very well. So that's the reason why it's mainly these colors. So here we are at the beginning of the garden. Here are some echinopsis. They are quite spiky and I like the color of this flower because it's grey blue and like icy blue, and the mix with the other flowers is very beautiful. Here it's the same flower, but it's blooming there. There are a lot of small flowers everywhere. Here are some sweet peas, pink sweet peas. The seeds come from the garden of my grandmother, and it's blooming a lot and it's going everywhere. You see, it's on the roses. This rose is called, I think, I don't remember the name, but I like the small dots of pink on it everywhere. This one is fading. This one is a orange dahlia. Here is a small insect, in French it's called cétoine, and a small ant. I didn't think it was this color because I'm not very fond of orange. But at this time of the year, there are not a lot of flowers in the garden, so I let it because it makes the garden more happier, I think. Here is some sage, white sage. I've got a dark pink sage too in the garden, and it smells very good. And you can't smell it, but it smells very good. This small part of the garden didn't existed last year. When we came back from Belgium, we stopped at a garden store, and I bought a lot of flowers, as you can see. After visiting the roses garden we saw there, and you can see it in my first video. So this is echinopsis, pink one. A long time ago I didn't like this kind of flowers, but I like now. We are changing, everyone, myself as everyone else, and I like the way the petals go down in the big art of the flower, which is spiky too. This one comes from Belgium too, and I like the shape of it, and the flower is very, very beautiful, as you can see, and I like the match with the echinopsis. This place is where I sometimes read and drink some tea. The bench is an old bench. When we arrived in this house, it was there. As you can see, it was green and painted in white, but the white paint is fading, and I like the way it looks. It makes a small secret place where I can read and spend time to rest. So it's another place to rest. There is a hammock, and it's put on a wood support. I'm not sure of the word. My father did, and it's very great because I can put it everywhere. I don't need to have 2 trees to attach it. And on this hammock, I like to have a lot of pillows. So you can see with insects, with dragonfly or fairies or Japan things. And this one I made, and this one too. On this chair, I made this mattress during the lockdown, and the big pillow too. It's the same one as the other one, with 2 different sides. And I attached this chandelier because I like the way it looks in the garden. This iron panel with flower was given to me by a close friend of mine, and normally you can put candles on it, but I don't have all the glasses where you put the candles, so it's only for decoration now. Here are 3 plants I'm going to plant in the garden. Here is an hydrangea, and this one is a tropical plant. So I don't know if I'm going to plant it in the garden or in a pot. And this one is a rose my aunt gave me. It's from a rose she's got in her garden. This is next to the dinner corner. This cage was offered to me by my friend Laetitia, you know her, and I put in it garland, a light garland, which lights when it's dark in the night. This bell is a true bell. It belonged to my mother. It's a cow bell, and you can hear the sound. This is a tea light holder with some flowers. It looks quite old, but it's not. It's due to the fact that it's in the garden. And it's a candle holder, a small chandelier maybe, and it was offered to me by friends. This one you can put a tea light inside or something that smells good, incense for example. This is an acanthus, and you can find this flower sculpted in a Greek temple on Corinthian capital. The leaves are on the Corinthian capital, not the flower. I hope you enjoyed this small tour of my garden, and now I'm going to rest and read in it. I hope to see you soon. Bye!